Today we were taken to the Sobo Central Mall. We had to select 20 items from the entire store, and there were small stalls set up for us. Both teams would have the chance to go and choose their own 20 items to sell, and we were given 2 hours to sell those items to customers. The team that manages to generate the maximum revenue wins.
When we entered the mall, we immediately started putting our strategy in place to select as many medium and low cost items.
Expensive watches, one good expensive watch which
restricting person
perfumes
are very, they'll not buy.
So we spent some initial time strategizing how we wanted to, pick the items because we had an upper limit of 20 items only. The deal was maximum paisa vasool.
We just spoke to all the people who were already selling there, just to get an idea of what exactly sells the best over there.
What are your top selling perfumes?
Issey Miyake.
Write these down.
The one Issey Miyake, the one over there, that's the top selling perfume.
Okay.
Then you have Davidoff. These two sell a lot.
The initial strategy was that we go for value game rather than quantities. So we selected items which were expensive. We took one high risk item.
See, this one is a ruby. It's fast moving design.
This is very fast moving?
Yeah.
So if people shopping for Eid, kind of...
Yeah, Diwali.
This one's very popular?
Yeah.
Very
fast.
fast.
Moving design.
Okay.
Any deals going on?
On perfume?
Perfumes or even on...
If you need deal, I can provide the deal.
Let's have Dio's body shop. Dio's go move fast.
Yeah.
So our strategy was FMCG items, so that even if the clientele that walks in is not really going to be ready to spend too much money, we can still sell some goods to have sort of a cushion for us.
First, let's focus on what we can get. Okay, let's go that side.
This mall was based in South Bombay, where we anticipated the crowd to be slightly affluent.
We approached the twin prong strategy in which we'll target both the ends. One the higher end and the other units actually selling in volumes but not equating in terms of the value of the total sum. We can divide the teams on the number of floors, ground floor, first floor, second floor.
We started thinking how to attract more people towards a counter. And one of the suggestions came to us is that let's start announcing it through mic. And that was a very good suggestion.
Is there any way, is there a mic?
We want a mic.
You'd love to use a mic.
A microphone, a megaphone.
This is nice.
I picked up the expensive items, which were the perfumes and the bags, whereas the rest of my team went around picking up the FMCG items and the stuff that is easier to sell.
That's okay.
Men.
Did they give him a bag with this?
Yeah.
Okay.
They take a men's one. Let's take one men's one.
Taking the tester.
Testers.
Oh wait, there's big and small. There's big and small.
this one is better.
No, take the smaller one. Take the smaller one. Take the smaller one.
We had stuff like high design leather bags, we had Zippo lighters, we had jewelry sets.
We decided to stick to fast-moving items like perfumes, deodorants, chocolates, so that we wouldn't have a very difficult time selling them.
Dude, get rid of clothes. 300. Okay.
There's nobody going to try out clothes, right?
I selected a couple of cloth items, but then we realized that, but people will not be able to try in front of camera and all. So we dropped the idea immediately, but we wasted a couple of precious minutes on that.
अंकल क्या खरीदने आए हो?
स्पेशल कुछ खरीदने का मन हो तो यहाँ पर स्टॉल में हमने ना इधर लेफ्ट साइड में पूरे मॉल से जिसमें सबसे अच्छा प्राइस मिल रहा हो, कम से कम प्राइस मिल रहा हो, सबसे अच्छी चीज़ें हमने इकट्ठा करके रखी है. देख लीजिए एक बार यहाँ पर, आइए यहाँ पर.
I love doing sales. It's part of my, it's part of my everyday life as an entrepreneur. So I think it's pretty interesting.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. We have some nice samples over here, nice perfumes and creams. So if there are any ladies or any gentlemen shopping for ladies, please come down to the ground floor.
I was continuously first, calling up customers, having their walk-ins, showing them the products, displaying them the complete catalog, and then finally, if they weren't convinced of anything that they wanted to buy, finally selling them the low-value products. We have, perfumes, ladies' bags. This one, done. Guys, you got the first sale. Please record it out. The price is $495.
You don't like it, don't. 30 seconds. You don't come to movie, check out some good stuff, dude. Come.
Okay, there's a live show. So would you like to buy some of the things?
Girlfriend है. Valentine Day आ रहा है यार. क्या कुछ लेके जाओ?
This is a show for the UTV, Bloomberg.
Okay.
So we have to sell as many things. So we have put up nice things from whole mall. With nice things which have a combo available or discount available.
I've seen the tasks, and based on my personal experience, I can say that I am the strongest player as of now. Hi guys. Hi, I'm Tushar.
Vijay.
Hi Vijay. Vijay, you are on camera. Okay. If you're buying a purse for your girlfriend or your wife, I have a better selection for you.
I'm not buying because I'm a supervisor from this brand.
Well, he's our first customer. Let's second customer. Okay, 2 cheers for him.
And I'm going to sell the most beautiful thing in this entire mall. And that's a lovely, beautiful, sparkling diamond set.
But I was young, I would have purchased.
Diamonds are forever and they're beyond age.
Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
We need you right at the entrance, Caddy. Get people in right at the entrance.
Don't say no.
But that's one thing about me, I can say no. I like say no. Here, that doesn't happen here in India.